is going on, guys? It's me, guys. AJ, and today we are doing another vlog. And I just got back from football practice. If you can see, my hair's like sweaty. But, yeah. I'm just doing another vlog because I can. And, but, this weekend I won't be posting anything. Nothing at all. Because, I'm going camping. And then and the next week I'm going to post my gaming videos again because my parents are divorced, and this week I was with my dad, so I didn't post any gaming videos. So yeah, and just expect that. But expect that, and chips. Oh my God, they're all football teams. Okay, I'm gonna name them off: the Browns, Chargers, the Steelers, the Raiders, the Bengals, the Kansas City Chiefs, the Ravens. Oh my God. The Ravens, the Broncos, the Jets, Tennessee Titans, Buffalo Bills, Jaguars, Miami Dolphins, Colts. I'm pretty loud, but Patriots and Texans. And for the NFC, it is. Okay, so we'll just go from like this: Seahawks, the Saints, the Vikings, which they suck. Vikings suck. I hate them so much. And the Panthers, Green Bay Packers, go Green Bay, go Green Bay. Go Green Bay. I'm going to the Green Bay Packer game versus the Carolina Panther game. And, well, yeah. And Falcons and the Lions and the Rams and the Chicago Bears, which they suck also. They suck my balls. Okay, no, they don't. But San Francisco 49ers, Cowboys, Cardinals, Eagles, Tampa Bay Buccaneers, Giants, and the Redskins. Yay! And what does that say? Play Thursday night. Click off. I get it because kick and click. Oh! But this video is sponsored by Lay's. No, I'm just kidding. This video is sponsored by NFL. Yeah. So, and here's my wallet, guys. I've been saving up a lot. And yeah, no, it's not my wallet. It's like my dad's extra wallet or something. I don't know. I might post Xbox games when I'm at my dad's, when I get my Xbox, probably today, and computer games when I'm at my mom's. So yeah, I'm gonna eat right in front of you guys. Oh yeah, okay. Well, yeah, labels. Curtis 1000. Curtis 1000. That's my dad works at that company. He gets a lot of money, but he still hasn't bought me an Xbox. I don't know why, but he didn't. My doggies. Let's go see my doggies. Doggies. Da-na-na. Buzzy. Here's Bosley. Buzzy Boo. Buzzy. And then there's Kaya. Hi, Kaya. What's up? Hey, Buzzy. What's up, Buzzy? You wanna go outside? You gotta check if the garage door is open or not. No, it's not. Good. You wanna go outside? Do you wanna go outside? Wanna go say? Yes, you do, don't you? Wait. Wait for it. Boom!